In this video we'll learn how to manage tenants in MIIMETIQ LITE. The Tenants section organizes the tenants, or workspaces, of different customers. A tenant is simply a place where data belonging to a particular customer or project is kept, isolated from other customers or projects' data. Each of the tenants in the list displays the most relevant information, such as the name, date of last update, whether it is enabled or not, the number of devices created, the total number of managed signals and the total number of messages processed. The signals are the sensors and actuators of each device that we are monitoring and controlling. For example, a diesel generator has a total of 25 signals, such as water temperature, engine speed, power factor, etc. These 25 signals per generator, multiplied by 4 generators, gives a total of 100 signals being managed by the tenant. Whenever a generator updates the value of a signal or receives a new command, a message indicating that new data has transferred between the device and MIIMETIQ LITE is generated. So, messages are the combined total of all data sent and received by the 100 signals of the 4 generators. Only administrators have access to this section. If the administrator disables a tenant, users cannot log on. We can enable and disable a tenant using the button at the top right of the tenant. The Waste Bin button allows us to remove a tenant. This action requests confirmation from the administrator and cannot be undone. The Pin button allows us to edit the properties of the tenant. The edit screen presents the same dialog and options as when a new tenant is created. We can create a new tenant by selecting the plus button. In this screen we must specify the name of the tenant and cannot be modified later. It also allows us to add an additional identifying name which can be edited later. We must also specify the email of the user along with their username and password, which will be used later to log in. We need to determine whether or not the tenant will be initially active and also limit the maximum number of devices and signals supported by the tenant. Optionally, we can also add a description. It is important to click the Save button when finished to save all changes. The new tenant created appears in the list of tenants. To exit the application we select the User button at the top right of the application and then click the Logout button. The video of tenants management has ended. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.